Hello class 12 science. In our last class, that is in our yesterday's assignment, I have given you to cover this topic by previous learning. So the first one was Carvalhamin reaction, the second one was diazotization. Then I have given you to write down the electrophilic substitution product of aniline in case of bromination, nitration and sulfonation. So this was our yesterday's topic. Now today we are going to study about diazonium salts. Diazonium salts. So the diazonium salts have the general formula Rn2 plus X minus, where R stands for an aryl group and X ion may be chloride, bromide, sulfate or borate, boron fluorate. They are named by suffixing diazonium to the name of the parent hydrocarbon from which they are formed, followed by the name of anion such as chloride, hydrogen sulfide. The N2 group is called diazonium group. So when you have got the nitrogen group, then it is called as a diazonium group. For example, C6H5N2Cl minus is named as benzene diazonium chloride. So we have to study about this compound, benzene diazonium chloride. So preparation of benzene diazonium chloride is known as diazotization. So the process of converting an aromatic primary amine into a diazonium salt by treating with a cold solution of nitrous acid is called diazotization. So this is the method of preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. Say for example, the same reaction in the equation form. The reaction of sodium nitrite and dilute HCl will give you sodium chloride and HNO2. This is known as nitrous acid. So when this nitrous acid reacts with aniline at temperature of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, it is going to form benzene diazonium chloride, where we have got the benzene ring, and to this benzene there will be the attachment of nitrogen, N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay, so we can together write this as HNO2 plus HCl. So this is known as diazotization, and it is the preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. Next, the chemical reaction of benzene diazonium chloride. This is very important. So the first one is Sandmeyer reaction. The Sandmeyer reaction we have seen in first chapter only, alkyl halides and aryl halides. So once again, the conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and benzonitrile. Benzonitrile means cyanobenzene on treatment with cuprous chloride in presence of HCl, or cuprous bromide in presence of HBr, or cuprous cyanide in presence of KCN respectively is called Sandmeyer reaction. So in Sandmeyer reaction, what will happen? We take benzene diazonium chloride and we react with cuprous chloride and HCl. What will happen? The Cl group will be added over here and nitrogen will be liberated, so which is chlorobenzene. Similarly, to obtain bromobenzene we need to use cuprous bromide and HBr, and for cyanobenzene we need to use cuprous cyanide and KCN. So this is Sandmeyer reaction. Next we have got Gattermann reaction. In Gattermann reaction, the only changes that we need to do is the benzene diazonium chloride is treated with copper powder in presence of HCl. So previously we have used cuprous chloride and HCl, but now we'll use copper powder and HCl to create chlorobenzene, and for bromobenzene we used copper and HBr, and for cyanobenzene we used Cu and KCN. So this is known as Gattermann. It is similar with the Sandmeyer reaction. The only changes is instead of cuprous chloride, cuprous halides compound, we need to take only the copper powder. Next, the replacement of hydrogen. So in the benzene diazonium chloride, if we treat with the phosphorus acid and water, what will happen? This N2Cl will be replaced by H, so it will form a benzene, we can say, plus N2 plus H3PO3 plus HCl. Okay. Next, if you treat this benzene diazonium chloride with ethyl alcohol, it will form benzene, nitrogen, acetaldehyde and HCl. So what is the function of this H3PO3 and water? Is to replace that N2Cl by H, and the function of alcohol is also the same. Next, how we can replace the hydroxyl group, this OH group? So for that, we take a benzene diazoxide chloride and treat with water. What will happen? The OH group will be substituted. So it will form a phenol plus nitrogen plus HCl. Fine. So this is the two major reactions of benzene diazoxide chloride as well. So next, today's assignment number 17. Question number 1. How will you prepare benzene diazoxide chloride? Give a balanced chemical equation. Question number 2. What is Sandwich reaction? Give an example. Number 3. Define Gattermann reaction. Write an equation. And question number 4. How will you obtain the following? That is benzene from benzene diazoxide chloride and phenol from benzene diazoxide chloride. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.